present the weather situations indicate that the yesterday's upper air cyclonic circulation of Odisha and northwest Bay of Bengal has intensified into a low pressure system today, and its associated cyclonic circulation extends up to 7.6 kilometers above mean sea level. The cyclonic circulation around Chhattisgarh has merged into monsoon trough. The east-west wind shear zone continues to lay over 20 degrees north latitude. Under the influence of the synoptic features, Telangana is likely to have widespread rainfall over most parts of the Telangana state during next 3 to 4 days. And heavy to very heavy, at times extremely heavy, is likely to occur in 4 districts of Telangana: Asifabad, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Manchiryal and Mahbub Nagar districts of Telangana. And orange warning has been issued. Heavy to very heavy is very likely to occur in Warangal, Hanmakonda, Janagaon, Siddipet, Yadadri, Bhuvangiri, Narayanpet, Medak and Rangareddy. Moderate to heavy rains are likely to occur over Adilabad, Nirmal, Hyderabad, Medchal, Mahbubabad, Suryapet, Nalagonda and Khammam. Tomorrow, orange warning has been issued, and Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulgu, Bhadradri, Kumarambi, Manchiryal is likely to have light to moderate rains over most places with heavy to very heavy spells over these districts. Heavy rains are likely to occur over Yadadri, Bhuvangiri, Adilabad, Rajana Sirsilla, Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Mahbubabad, Warangal, Hanmakonda areas. Hyderabad city is likely to have light to moderate rains, at times heavy spells during next 24 hours. Tomorrow there is a slight decrease in rainfall over the Hyderabad city with light to moderate rains and intense spells. And wind speed, winds are likely to be around 40 to 50 kilometers per around during next 2 days.